Alcohol and cocaine abuse. Michael Jordan refrained from drug due to his competitive nature and forced by his teammates' drug usage. The Chicago Bulls selected Michael Jordan with the third overall pick in the 1984 NBA draft. With two three-peat victories, the Bulls would dominate the NBA in the 1990. As a result of this historic success, the Chicago Bulls, though were by no means a top NBA team at the time, there were addicts on the team and they often ingest cocaine and alcohol. And surprisingly, Jordan had little interest in using drug or alcohol like his teammates did. The explanation is given by Roland Lazenby in Michael Jordan, The Life. In the early 1980s, the Chicago Bulls had developed a less than stellar reputation in the NBA. The group was infamously known as the Traveling Cocaine Crackers before Jordan joined the league. The term made fun of the miserable circumstance the Bulls players were in at the time. They were ultimately selected third overall in the 1984 NBA draft despite their horrible performance on the court.